Hello world, it's MomOPrey 5, Qapla, and I don't even know how to introduce this next video. It is not a typical video you'll find on my channel. One day, a few weeks ago, I was shocked to find that one of my viewers, Jitse Lemmens, who is a very talented artist, responsible for the avatars and graphics of many YouTubers, including many of my own, presented to me an idea that he had already flushed out for a book. And while it's called a children's book, I can assure you it is not for children. So YouTube, no, this is not marked for kids. This is very much a book for adults. But it's a book called Bird's Little Helpers. And it's a story about Caroga, me, MomOPrey, SisOPrey, NephewOPrey, and even Anti-Trekker makes a cameo. And it is a totally awesome, fun book that Jitse was able to animate, and also the astounding Purple Valkyrie narrated. So big thank you to Jitse and to Purple Valkyrie for helping me with this. I was blown away. I actually came into this pretty late in the project, but he was very insistent. He wanted to do this for me, and Jitse, I thank you guys so much. I am considering making some type of physical book. I don't have any hard plans yet, but I will keep people updated if there's demand. We might go with something like that. But without further ado, I present Bird's Little Helpers. Thank you, Jitse. Thank you, Purple Valkyrie. And I hope you enjoy this little video. Qapla.
This is a story about how one man can change the universe with the help of millions of hands doing the work for him. It's a story of power, success, and its costs. A story of charisma and suave, and how a multitude can be convinced they are among gods. This is a story about MomOPrey 5, our great and courageous leader, our god emperor. Hail Caroga! In a country so far away, Carogan Orphans like to play. Their leader bird, so wise and great, awaits us all at the gate. Welcomed as friends to be, awaiting gold and joy and glee. Black gold and coal he needs the most, our MomOPrey, a generous host. And glowing green sticks, a wonderful thing. All hail Caroga, we'll proudly sing. We get cookies and cola and candy too, as long as what we're told is what we'll do. When we go Geloja, our pee-pee is green. It's sent to Turdistanis, 'cause they are so mean. Turdistanis, they smell like caca. On TV, when we see them, we go, ha ha. They're evil and vile and not nice at all. We all stand together. Turdistan must fall. We'll keep Caroga safe by building large toys, while chanting them on, go get 'em boys. When Turdistan is gone, we'll all be safe. We'll thank our leader for all he gave. Our missile silos are big and strong. It protects our nation before all goes wrong. brave Carogans will heed the call. If they don't, they'll face the wall. Obedience and labour from mouth at the runt. Those who don't listen, we call her. No, we're not going there. Everything we do is for Carogan fame. If Caroga loses, it's another's blame. Our lives are given for our state, but Bird of Prey still needs a mate. Our free time is spent within Carogan lands. Thanks to our leader, we have no idle hands. Carogan country, so nice and pure, with Bird we walk forevermore. Our forest great and tall, like Bird of Prey, they'll never fall. Our mountains so large and high, like our leader, they will never die. Our seas so full and oh so deep, our enemies there will surely sleep. Our leader Bird is never late, except when anti-trackers at our gate. When we're sad, we write, "Dear Bop," our tears are wiped up with a mop. Our tears of sadness, they are collected in soda pops, but they're rejected. Sweet Caroganite, a valuable rock. It comes straight out of Bird of Prey's.
Son of a bitch!
At night we pray, before we sleep, for MomOPrey, a soul to keep. Nephew OPrey one day will rule the throne. Till then Bird must dodge what Sis OPrey has thrown. Bird's friend is called Sassy, and she goes, "Aroo!" 3 cheers for Caroga. I bid you adieu.
What'd I tell you? Was that funny or what? Again, thank you again, Jitse, Purple, everybody who watched up to this point. Please check the description. There's links to Jitse. There's links to Purple Valkyrie. These guys and girls deserve the credit. I am humbled by this, and I greatly appreciate this. And I hope it brought a little laughter to your day. And if you're not familiar with my live streams, you might be thinking this is nonsense, and that's okay. I apologize for wasting your time. But for those who come to my live streams, I'm sure you understood just about everything in this. And this was really a gift from Jitse to you guys via me. And I am, again, humbled and thankful I could be part of it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Qapla all, Bird out. See you guys soon.